Hey eBayers, it's Suzanne A. Wells. Thank you for coming back for another video. And I have a quick what to sell item. This is going in my top 100 items to sell on eBay playlist. So if you have not checked that out, I have the link at the top to that playlist so you can just listen to this as long as it goes and learn about what sells on eBay. So, Dale of Norway sweaters. This one has been a BOLO, which stands for Be on the Lookout item for ever since I started eBay. In fact, if we go over here to my blog, I have got a post back from 2014 where I'm talking about best items to sell for that year. And here is the Dale of Norway sweater, and that was years ago. So this is one of my favorite items to find, and let me explain what they are and a little bit about the selling prices. So if we go to the Dale of Norway website, Dale is actually a town or a place in Norway. So, as far as the history, in 1879, the historic textile factory was established in this valley with easy access to wool, strong knitting traditions, and a great supply of natural power from the local waterfalls. Since then, Dale of Norway has developed stunning designs in premium qualities that are well known worldwide. And yes, they are. You will ship these internationally. So if you want to make the most money possible on this item, make sure you are shipping internationally. Check out my video above on that. Nothing to be afraid of. These are just people that live in other places that want to buy stuff. Then if we go down here on the Dale of Norway website, we've got this nice slider with their history, talking about the factory, and this company does have a very rich history, so it goes back to 1879. So that's one of the reasons. It's a very well-known product. It is well made and therefore expensive. So let's go over to eBay and take a look at what we've got going on there. These are listings for Dale of Norway in used condition. These are the active listings sorted by price in descending order. So you can see there are 807 results for Dale of Norway sweaters at this moment that are active for sale, and starting prices are $400. So they are men, women, and children. I've never found a children's one. And this isn't something you're going to find all the time, but you should be on the lookout for it because they are easy to recognize. They are just beautiful Norwegian designs. A lot of times they have the snowflakes on them. You can see the beautiful pewter clasps on the front. That's a great selling point. There's the tag, Dale of Norway. It's made of pure wool, and these are just fantastic to find, and they're easy to spot because they are so thick and they have beautiful patterns, and usually the snowflake pattern somewhere on, whether it's the whole sweater or just the cuffs or just the back, whatever. But they are very easy to spot, and they don't all come in cardigan style. Some are pullover, so this is a pullover style, but you can see the gorgeous colors, the craftsmanship. They just feel very well made and thick. And of course, they have different tags here. Don't worry about these being faked. I have never heard of a fake one ever happening because it's just not that kind of item that would benefit anyone to make it a counterfeit of it. Handbags, denim jeans, sunglasses, those are the things you need to worry about that can be faked, not super high quality items like this that would be, it's just not that popular. It's not like a handbag where everybody has one, and women change them out so frequently. So the handbag industry is often full of fakes, but I see that question a lot on the Facebook group for brands that just aren't going to be faked, like St. John. That's not going to be fake. You need to worry about the very well-known brands that are super high-end, like Coach and Gucci and Armani and Louis Vuitton, those types of things, not these niche brands that aren't there's just not as many of them, so it's really not going to benefit a counterfeiter to make these because a lot of people don't even know what they are. So here's another one that's beautiful. They're all beautiful, but you can see just the craftsmanship is outstanding. And there we have the clasps again, and just the patterns are gorgeous. So let's take a look at what they sell for. So we're going to go down here to sold listings. And let me see if I can increase the size of this a little bit. And here we are. This is an outlier here because it's got the fur collar and that's not something that you would normally see. But here we've got one that a best offer was accepted. Let's see. Go to watch count so we can see what it sold for, and we'll go get the item number. So this is how we figure out how much something sold for. You get the item number. You go to watchcount.com, plug that in, and the listing should come up, and it sold for $265. So not bad at all. And let's see, is this a men's or a women's? It's men's. And you could very, very well find these at your thrift stores for less than $5. So a lot of times these will be over 50, over 100. And when I was selling them, I think the highest price I ever got when I found them, eBay was the only way I was earning a living. I think I sold one for around 200, and that just made it a total a total bolo on my end, so I'm always looking for them. Here's another one that's really interesting looking. It's got reindeer on it, and this one was on auction, and it had 17 bids. So we can see it started at $79.90 and it sold for $180. So these are again, very well made. Sometimes they'll have the zipper and not the pewter buttons or the pewter clasps. Sometimes they have buttons instead of clasps. So this is a little bit more tailored looking, but beautiful, just exquisite patterns. You'll know it when you see it. Of course, there's a lot of copies, so even Kohl's brands tries to copy this, but when you see that Dale of Norway tag, which let me show you that again, if she's got it here. This is the more modern version of the logo. The vintage ones also sell for a lot, just because they're vintage, they're older, they may be a little bit thicker. Let's see what else we've got here. Trying to find it. Here's a pretty one that's in red. This one was the 2002 Salt Lake Olympics Coca-Cola sweater. So that's got a lot of collectability about it, with it being Olympic and it having that Coca-Cola patch. Oh wow, to find that would be great. So look at that. It's just exquisite patterns. I just think they're so gorgeous. And then here we've got that label on the inside with more information and the Coca-Cola and Olympic logos. And that one sold for $147.50 with 8 bids, started at $69.99 and went up to $147.50. So it's hard to say which to do it on auction or fixed price. You just got to look at the completeds, and I just hesitate to do auctions because you're only a limited number of people are going to see that item within the auction time frame. So that's why I am always a 30 days seller, because you're going to have a wider audience seeing the item over that time period. And if you price it high and evaluate best offers, that's just a safer way to go as far as I'm concerned, because this is not something you're going to find all the time. This isn't like Chico's or Ann Taylor or anything like that. These are pretty rare to find. This is another pretty one here. They have certain names, but I wouldn't worry about finding the name. This one says Dale of Norway Peace Sweater '06 Olympics. So these were specially designed for the Olympics. Now look at the detail on this. Look at that beautiful heart-shaped zipper pull and the embroidery around the collar. You would just know when you see this that it's high quality and expensive. And there is the Dale Heritage logo there on the outside, and then the Olympic logo there. Just gorgeous. So I think you get the point. Dale of Norway is definitely one of my top items to look for to resell. Always on the lookout for that one. And this was just a short quickie video about another item to sell, but I did want to let you know. Let's see, today is May 4th, 2018. I have something new and exciting coming out next week that you all have asked for, and I've been working on it, hence the very slow sales in my eBay store, which I will do a sales update video and just show you that I'm real. I'm like everybody else. I have slow sales too. But make sure you're subscribed so that you will see the video about this new thing that's coming up, because I have listened to what you wanted. I have made something that is just fantastic. I'm so excited about it, and I can't wait to show it to you when it is ready. So thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Have a profitable and productive day on eBay. Bye.